put some brochures together. We about to get cracking. Me not knowing the business, I put it out there for 630, 450, right? People just paying that left and right. I'm like, yo, this is easy right here. But I need some more money because this little 600 for 4 hours ain't doing it. I was making that in the street.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out ways on how to bring additional money. So as I'm into the business, probably like 3 or 4 weeks in, I'm like, all right, people that come on a boat, they come in with two things. They come in with alcohol and they come in with food. So let me just go ahead and scale that. Let me go ahead and add a $200 fee for you to bring alcohol, because I ain't gonna be able to say you're gonna have to pay $200 to bring the food. You're gonna have to pay that $200 to bring the alcohol. So they started paying it. So now I'm getting $830 for $50. And they not budging. I'm like, I can get a couple more out of it. So then when I realized that, I said, all right, I still can't do the $200 for the food fee. What else can I do that make it mandatory? I said, all right, bet. Now I'm gonna do a mandatory cleaning fee. So now you got the $630, $450 for the boat rental. You got the $200 for the liquor, and then you got the $200 for the cleaning fee. So now I don't got to where I wanted to be at, and that's how I came up with my $1,200 for 3 hours.